Hello everyone. I hope you all have learned various causes of difference between cash book and passbook. Means now you are clear with all the items which affect our cash book and which are responsible for the difference between cash book and bank statement. So let's start this practical portion. Firstly, you have to check the balance given in your question. Means we are assuming here first that debit balance means favorable balance of cash book is given. Means in every question you will be given a balance, means whether the debit balance of cash book or credit balance of cash book, whether debit balance as per passbook or credit balance as per passbook. So you have to firstly see which balance is given in the question. So let's start with the debit balance of cash book. Means if in your question debit balance or we can say favorable balance as per cash book is given, then we will make changes as per cash book and passbook remains constant. We will make changes in our cash book. This is our case first. So see, if we are starting our question from debit balance as per cash book, means in question debit balance as per cash book is given, then first of all we will write debit balance as per cash book. This is the format. First see particulars, plus items and minus item, and upper and we will give heading bank reconciliation statement simple, and we will write also the month. For suppose if we are making for the month of June, then we will write bank reconciliation statement for the month of June 2020. So first debit balance as per cash book we will write in the plus side, because debit balance of cash book is a receipt side, that is a favorable balance, we will record on the plus side. Then various items will be given in the question and you have to select which item will be on plus side and which items will be on credit side. See, check issue but not yet presented for payment means we have issued a check for collection but bank has not deposited till now. So we have to add that check. Means you have issued one check to your supplier for payment but that check has not been presented for payment, that is at interest credited by bank. Credited by bank means bank has add this amount in our account, so we have to add. So these items we have discussed earlier, so you have to see the items in your question and accordingly you have to write on the plus or minus side. Clear? But firstly you have to see which balance is given in the question, according to that you have to add and less items. Clear? Now see practical question. This is your question. It is given that debit balance as per the cash book is 3,72,000. So make the format first, bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2017. We will start our question with the bank balance as per the cash book. Debit balance as per cash book is 3,72,000. We will write over here. Then first item is check issued to creditor but not presented for payment. Tell me what will we do with this? It is plus or minus? It will be plus. We have issued a check to our supplier but not presented for payment means our passbook is same but we have deducted in our cash book. So to match it, to correct it, we will have to add this again in our cash book balance. So this 72,000 will be add. Second, dividend received by bank but not entered in the cash book means our passbook statement is showing plus balance and cash book is same. So to reconcile it we will add in the cash book 5,000. Then interest allowed by bank means interest given by bank. Bank has credited our account, bank has add our account, so we have also to add in our cash book, that is 1250. Then next is check deposit into bank but not collected by bank means we have deposited a check into bank, we have added in our cash book but bank has not deposited this check. Passbook is same but our cash book balance is high, so to correct it we will deduct this amount, that is 15,400. See on the minus side. Then bank charges charged by bank not entered in the cash book means bank has deducted our account with rupees 200 but this information is not in cash book, so we have also to deduct these expenses. Means we will do the same thing as bank has done. If bank has done plus we will do plus, if bank has done minus we will do minus. A check deposit into the bank but dishonored so it will be on minus side. And last, bank paid house tax but no information in our cash book, so we will deduct these expenses. Clear? So you will write plus or minus side various item, then at last you will make total of debit and credit side, then you will calculate the difference of debit and credit side, that is 433,980, and this will be automatically the credit balance as per passbook. If you are starting debit balance as per cash book, the answer, the difference will be the credit balance as per passbook. Means you know the debit side of cash book is which side? Plus side, and the credit side of passbook is also plus side. So now this is the reconciliation statement. Now both the sides are same, means debit side of cash book and credit side of passbook is matched, reconciled now. Clear? So you have to practice these questions where the debit balance as per cash book is given. 1 to 5 question you have to do in your fair notebooks.